Alright, so I have the TA Pro laser oscillator stabilized at 20 Celsius. Here are the other settings you can see in the scan menu. And on the spectrum analyzer on the top left, I have zoomed in right there. It's a 1 kilohertz bandwidth, like a 5-meter patch cord out and back. So that's a self-heterodyne with like a 10-meter coherence length, which is nice and narrow, kilohertz level resolution bandwidth on the spectrum analyzer. I'm now going to increase that span, and I have some 5 megahertz sidebands on it, so I'm just going to bring those in. So now you can see what's going on more of a megahertz scale as I increase the offset voltage. Just keep that going up, and keep an eye on the spectrum analyzer. There you can see some sort of pedestal come in, degraded Linewidth in some portion. There it is. Now the self-heterodyne amplitude has gone down considerably. So I continue increasing. Okay, it popped up and down. And there we go. Something extremely broad, so that's now much broader than even 5 megahertz, where the beat is many tens of megahertz across. Dialed the scan voltage back down to where we started. If I do your test where I just increase the scan, probably kicks in at a similar level. See some glitching at that 70 volt. Definitely see something up here. So let's see, 90 volts is maybe about 45 gigahertz. Mostly goes away by about a 25 gigahertz scan.